is my 6th season with the choir. Our next selection, God is Nigh, is sung to the tune of Taps. Now if you're thinking, I didn't know Taps had words, you're not alone. Although several versions have been written, there are no official military words. The Civil Wartime music was likely composed by General Butterfield and his bugler, and simply meant to be an informal, quiet tune to signal, lights out, go to sleep. In 1862, it was first performed at Civil War burial ceremonies as a safer alternative to the traditional 3-volley tribute, so as not to give away the unit's position to the Confederates. Since that time, the solemn tune and lyrics have become a beloved tribute to all fallen American soldiers, past and present. You may be like me. I can't imagine what it would be like to walk in the shoes of those in service. I do know how lucky I am to be able to go to sleep at night in comfort and safety, and thus have some idea of the sense of calm and peacefulness when feeling not alone. Nigh is an old-fashioned term meaning near. All is well. Safely rest. God is nigh.